Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Inday Guapa making informative videos regarding my journey in applying to Poland. For today's vlog guys, I'm going to share to you how to view your appointment slot in getting passport. So maganda ito guys kasi makikita po natin kung talagang nakaset tayo ng appointment through DFA system. So, at first, punta tayo sa Google and then i-type po natin passport.gov.ph. Alright, and then double-click at lalabas ang system ni DFA. Click po natin schedule an appointment at i-click natin ang view appointment. So, dito guys, itatype po natin ang appointment code na binigay ni DFA sa email po natin. So, ito po yun guys. After po nating makapag-fill up sa appointment code, next naman po is sa email address. So, dito guys, mag-i-email po kasi si DFA sa atin once po na confirmed na po cancel ang ating appointment. And then next po, click natin yung I'm not a robot. As ang CAPTCHA na images, at i-comply lang po natin. And then, click natin View Details. So, dito guys, sa details, may makikita po tayong tatlong box sa baba. Ito po yung Cancel Appointment, Download Form, at Check Status. Alright? So, if ever po na nagpa-assist tayo ng passport at sinabi po ng fixer sa atin na itong date na to, nakaset ka na ng appointment. So, pwede mo po yung i-view through online guys para iwas po tayo sa scam or iwas tayong maloko ng mga fixer. Then for the cancellation of your appointment, just follow this quick guide tutorial. So same scenario guys, punta lang po tayo sa website ni DFA at i-type po natin all the necessary information needed. Okay? So dito guys, once na makita nyo po ang ganitong klaseng form, meron pong tatlong box sa baba which is Cancel Appointment, Download Form, at Check Status. So pipiliin nyo po ang Cancel Appointment. Upon cancellation of process, may makikita po kayong note na nakalagay, by continuing, I understand that the passport processing fee will be forfeited for this application and that no refund will be given for canceling the appointment. Ibig sabihin lang nito guys, ang ibinayad nyo po sa online system na processing fee for passport ay hindi na po marerefund. So if ever nakapag-decide na po kayo, just tick the small box I agree and then click the cancel appointment. So, upon viewing this form, makikita po natin na successfully canceled na po ang appointment natin at mag-i-email po ng notification si DFA na confirmed cancel na po ang ating appointment. At ganito po ang sample ng kanilang email notification. And That's it for this video, guys. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa, always saying, if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you all for watching.